going on, everybody? Today's the day if it's to upgrade the headlights and fog lights. I got on a website, SunPie, and I ordered these, but I found them on Amazon, and I'm gonna put down a link down below if y'all want to go check them out. Now, when I got this box that come just like this, it was all taped up. I was worried because it had this flash in the bottom of it. I wasn't too happy about that. So let's open them up and see what we got. All right, when you open them up, they're gonna come just like this. And these are supposed to be day makers, but so far I haven't seen nothing on here that says day makers. Plug and play is what it's supposed to be. And they look nice. Got all the wiring harnesses and all the adapters and everything you need. So let's get started taking the old ones off. Alrighty, so we're gonna take out this. It's kind of glassed over, fogged over, whatever you want to call it. It don't come off, so we're going to take it out. And there's the fog lights. It's just the original fog light. So first thing what we're going to do is up underneath here, there's a screw right there. Phillips screw. We're going to hold the nut, and we're going to be taking it out. All right, y'all. It's so easy to take that screw out. I have my 16-year-old daughter. 17-year-old daughter doing my dirty work. All right, you got the little bolt out. Now we're going to take the ring off. It snaps off just like that. And you see the bolt holes right here? We're going to be taking them out next. Now remember, when you're taking out these little screws, that's what's going to hold the headlight in, so take them out. Now the big long ones, you'll see one here, one up top. Them right there are your adjustment screws, so don't take them out, just take the little ones out. And then take the ring off, and there's your headlight in the plug. All right, now I see on this it comes with not just the headlight, but it comes with the brackets, the adjustments, and all that. So I guess I will be taking this off, unplug this headlight, and then that way I can use the new one. Just pull and unplug. Headlight is out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these adjustment screws off, and maybe this whole thing here comes out. Just take them all the way out. And there is a spring right here. I don't know if that other one comes with one or what, so I'm gonna take some wire pliers, bend that back, and leave the spring in it. All right. Now what I want to do next, I want to test the headlight and make sure it's going to work. Plug and play, right? So we're going to plug it in. Boom. It's on. All right, turn it off. Now we'll get this going and get installed, and then this brand new chrome piece that come with it, this back side was this right here. Took it off. And I'm gonna plug it in and put the bolts right back in it, and it's gonna fit perfect in there. Lines up perfect, just like that. And I won't have to mess with adjustments, I'm hoping, right now. I'm about to wait till when it gets darker. And then just put these bolts back in, and then put the rings back on. I'm gonna plug it up and put them little bolts back in, and we'll be started. And now I got my 17-year-old daughter. She's tightening them screws up. She gets through hurrying up. We'll get to see what it looks like. All right, now what we're gonna do, we got them going, so it's gonna make sure the drill's going the right way. We're gonna snug them up a little bit. All right, go down here toward the bottom. We got one right here. Snug it up. I'll finish these up. All right, y'all, all we gotta do now is, I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off of it. It's installed. So all I gotta do now is put the ring on, but I'm not gonna put the ring on yet. I'm gonna wait later on tonight, and I'm gonna come here and look at it, because you gotta have it off here's the adjustment screws. So I'm just gonna leave the ring off for now, but I wanna show you what it looked like before we got started on the fog lights. There's what it's gonna look like. What do y'all think? I like it a whole lot better. Let's get started on the fog lights. All right, in the fog lights, we're gonna start off doing the same thing. See the screw? I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it. Take the rings off. All right, so if you can see on the new fog light, it is plug and play, but you notice at the end right here, it comes with it. Now this is on the 95 Road King. So what I'm gonna have to do, the old style headlights, is I'm gonna have to wire these up. Now they did send butt connectors and all that stuff, which is in my hand. You wanna make sure they are shrink wrapped, and these are. So we will be shrink wrapping them. And zoom tight. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo them wires, I'm gonna hook these up, and then this right here will become a plug and play. So what I'm gonna do nice and neat is I'm probably gonna zip tie in there and try to fit, make sure it goes in tight. But it's gonna look really good when I'm done. So let me go ahead and undo the hot and ground, put it on the wires, put the butt connectors on, and I'll be back. Show you the difference before, and I'll show you on how I did the wires when I do this one. But I just want to show you the difference. See the difference versus the plain. Angel, turn it on. See, whole lot better. All right, took the ring off, took that little screw right there out, boom, popped the whole fog light out. Now all I'm gonna do is push it up. Take it out, just like so. Let it hang. It's got the rubber right there in it. Protect the light, seals it off. Now we're ready to cut some wires. All right, the black one, the solid black one, is the ground, which you can tell it's already connected right there. So all I'm gonna do is slice. Old fog lights, bye-bye. So I'm just gonna take the wires, I'm gonna strip them back, just like this. So I'm gonna take one of the butt connectors. I'm gonna twist the wire up pretty good. Put it in there. Clamp it. And do the other one the same way. The hot and ground butt connected, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna heat up the end. You wanna melt it, just make sure no water, corrosion, stuff like in there. You wanna do both of them. Make sure it seals all the way around. Turn it. Get a nice seal, just like that. When it cools off, be sealed. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the harness that come with it, I'm just gonna pull it off of this so it's just easier to work with. Set it down, and then there you are, you got your hot and your ground. And we're just gonna go ahead and put it in these butt connectors. And clamp them. I had them on right, it would. There we go. Now we got a good clamp. I'll do the hot the same way. Now I've never put any of these on, so if I can do it, and a 17-year-old girl can do it, y'all can do it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same way like I did on this other side. And twist it. That one's cooking. I don't know how y'all like y'all steaks, but I don't want it well done. I want to burn it. All right, give it a minute to cool off. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug it up. And then we're gonna test it to make sure it works. Let me get my sandwich maker over there. All right. You got it on? All right, now it's working. All right, so I'm gonna take the plastic off, and see right here where it's got the DOT on it? What you wanna do is that goes on top. That's how you know which ones are. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this right back on, but I want this at the bottom, so obviously I'm gonna put it at the bottom. I'm just gonna fit it in there just like so. Take all this that we just put in. Just gonna wrap it up in here, just like that. I'm gonna line it up and put that one screw back in it. And all right, over and all, it's all complete except just the ring right here, which I'm just gonna wait till the night, tighten it up. Look at that. That looks a whole lot better. It's a nice clean look. And you ain't got all them yellow lights. So I'm really gonna like this. I'm really enjoying it already. Got some more upgrades to do. Y'all hit the subscribe channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Y'all be careful out there, and see y'all on the next one.